Hi, this is Tom from Moth Models and Mistakes. I'm here to just let you know that tomorrow there'll be a video up. It's been a couple days, but I've been researching lighting and cameras and things like that. It looks like if people want to hear what I have to show and say, which is kind of strange, but I'm happy to put it out, if nothing else, for family to just see that I'm still alive. But I really appreciate this entire community. I'm still overwhelmed by it. But anyway, that's what I will be doing. And this is the Battle of Bennington flag, and that Battle of Bennington flag was flown at the Battle of Bennington, which is why it's called the Battle of Bennington flag. The state of Vermont gives this. It was in Bennington, Vermont, is where Bennington is in Vermont. And so that was the Battle of Bennington flag that they used. And on August 16th, 1777. And it was in, I wrote it down because I didn't want to lose it. There we go. Yeah, it was on August 16, 1777, that the Battle of Bennington was actually fought in Wallamoosic, New York. Whether it sounded better or not, I don't know. But August 16, 1777, in honor of that day, all Vermont state office workers have the day off. Everybody else has to work because, it's all different businesses and stuff, but the state has it off. It's like a bank holiday. Yay. But, so, that's your lesson. I'll have more when, okay, I won't. Maybe I will. I don't know. But I've really got a lot of work to do in here to put things together. But I'm going to put together, I want to do an unboxing. And I'm not sure what I want to unbox because I don't know when I'm going to be building it. But I do know that I want to get into it. So I might as well do an unboxing. Okay. See you later. Bye.